everyone, it's Jorge Contreras and welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to talk about how to succeed in the real estate business. Let's go! So the first thing that I recommend is education. Why? Well, not having the education, the guidance, and the mentorship is actually a lot more expensive than it is to invest in education. When you invest in education, you will leverage all the knowledge, the wisdom, the success, and the mistakes of that mentor that it is you're learning from. When you invest in education, you actually learn and are able to advance and grow and be more successful faster and go further than if you try to learn it on your own. So unsuccessful people tend to say, yeah, I don't need to learn from anybody. I'll just do it on my own and make all the mistakes. And successful people say, why am I gonna make all the mistakes myself when I can just pay someone who's already been very successful and learn from them? Relationships. This is something that has contributed massively to my success, is building relationships. For my rental properties, I have communication coordinators, cleaning staff, management. This is for my short-term rentals and long-term rentals, people that help me and operate the business so I can focus on other bigger and better things. And for my other business, which is redevelopment, aka flipping houses, we work with a lot of contractors. So with the relationships that I have built over the years from the framers, the plumbers, the electricians, the roof guys, and everybody else, by having these amazing relationships and creating win-win situations with them, it has contributed massively to the success of my redevelopment business. So how do you build relationships and meet people? Well, you start going to networking events. I highly recommend meetup.com. When you go to a meetup event, you are going to be able to select all the things that you're interested in, and it's absolutely free. And then when people actually host and coordinate events with those subjects that you pre-select, you will be notified, hey, this real estate business for cash flow, for rental properties, for entrepreneurship, for mindset has been created in your area. And through networking, you're going to be able to create some incredible relationships that are going to help you grow and thrive in your business. Now, your real estate business is a direct reflection of your knowledge, wisdom, and success. So the more you learn, the more you earn. Say it with me. The more you learn, the more you earn. Now, I'm going to recommend a book to you guys that has also completely changed my life. It's called The ABCs of Real Estate Investing. This book is incredible and teaches you so many strategies, techniques to build a massive real estate business as I have. I'm actually going to link this book in the description below so you guys can check it out after this video. The next thing that's going to help you be successful in real estate is to subscribe to this YouTube channel. My biggest business is in real estate, and this is one of the things that I talk about the most. So if you want to build a successful real estate business, smash the subscribe button and turn on the little notifications so you can be notified every time I upload a video. And by the way, I want to invite you guys to check out my free ebook on how to create passive income. It is incredible. It's right here. See it, see it, see it? Yeah. I'm going to put it in the description below. Click on it right now and you'll be able to instantly download it for free. See you guys next time.